So I think what impressed me the most was the different multi-ethnic groups that they have there in Xinjiang, and the fact that they're all together and living peacefully. And I think we went to Pokaya Museum where we saw there was an area that was like a desert, and they were able to transform this desert into a green land where the people and the army all came together to work and like create a paradise for the people there. I found that to be very inspiring.
So we didn't had any issue of security or something like that. So we were walking in the streets freely, and we were talking to people freely, and we saw people, we saw different people, we saw Han people, we saw Uyghurs are living all together, and we learned more about the history of Xinjiang and the multicultural aspects, multi-religions, and multi-ethnic groups in this area. And this is really positive to me to see these different ethnic groups are living all together.
When we went to Jiashi district in Kashi, and we saw a water solution industry. We know that in the past Xinjiang has lack of healthy water, lack of water. So when we've been there, the water solution industry has totally solved that water problem in Xinjiang. We have seen there that the local people are saying that now they have no lack of water, and the water is very healthy for them. So like China government brings a new life for Xinjiang people, new hope. Actually, 7 days is very short for us, and when we are coming back, we was very sad because we are feeling love Xinjiang actually.